Hello, welcome to day 2. Well, it's day 2 here, day 3 of the vlog. So today we're going to Animal Kingdom in Disney. So we are now heading to Kamari Safari. Mom, what's it called? Kilimanjaro Safari, and that was nowhere near. So now we're heading there with my brother, and that's the first ride, and it just so happens to be the furthest ride away from the entrance. How fun! So we just went on the safari, and now we're going to try and get on the new Avatar ride called Pandora, and then we have Expedition Everest. So the Pandora ride, we can go in after 4 something, 4:40. And we still have an hour-ish until Everest, so we're eating and enjoying music. Went on Expedition Everest. That was scary. You could probably hear me screaming. Now we're stopping off for a drink, and then I think it's time for us to go on the Pandora ride. Yeah. So we just went on Kali River Rapids. I'm pretty moist. And yeah, it's very wet. And we got our bags back because we had to put them in a locker because we were scared that they were going to go wet, and it was a good idea because we got really wet. So now we're on the queue to the new Avatar ride. Apparently it's some sort of 3D experience. So we're going to see because we don't know what it's like yet. So yeah. Oh, okay, so we went on the Avatar ride, and honestly I can't describe what it's like because it's so cool. You're sitting down, so imagine you're sitting on a bicycle. That's basically what sitting's like, and then there's this huge screen that comes up, and as you're soaring, you're like soaring through it, and it's moving with you, and you can also smell everything. And when there's water everywhere, there's like water, and you're going through water, and it spritz the water in your face, and it's like, oh my god, it was really hard to not imagine that, like, to still imagine that I was just sitting there on a seat. We've just stopped off to get fries, and then hopefully we'll be going on a dino ride. So I have my pass, and now we're about to go on dinosaur. We've just come out of the ride, and it's about to start painting down with rain, and I've only just dried off. We survived the rain, and now we're in the car. and we're gonna go and see if we can get something for dinner on the way back. So now with my terrible hair, I'm ready to go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.